A Fulton County judge has ordered Rudy Giuliani to appear next week in front of the special grand jury investigating attempts to influence the outcome of the 2020 election in Georgia. Good evening. I'm Russ Spencer.
I'm Courtney Bryant. This afternoon, an attorney for the former New York mayor tried to get his testimony pushed back even further, citing medical issues.
Fox 5 political reporter Claire Sims was in the courtroom for this afternoon's hearing. She joins us now live. And Claire, the date may not be set in stone, right?
Yeah, the judge's order says that Rudy Giuliani needs to appear here next Wednesday, but that could change based on doctor's orders.
I propose we shift Mr. Giuliani's appearance date to August 17th. He'll need to be here in person.
Fulton County Superior Court Judge Robert McBurney says Rudy Giuliani must appear before the Fulton County Special Purpose Grand Jury next week. The county impaneled the group of more than 20 jurors back in May to investigate whether anyone, including former President Donald Trump and his allies, broke the law trying to influence the outcome of the 2020 election in Georgia. Giuliani was the president's personal lawyer and a lead attorney for the Trump campaign. Back in December 2020, he testified before a state Senate committee that election workers participated in fraud at State Farm Arena, a claim that was quickly debunked. Giuliani was scheduled to appear in front of the grand jury Tuesday, but his attorneys filed an emergency motion saying he could not travel to Atlanta because of medical issues. He had 2 coronary heart stents implanted around July 4th.
We just want a reasonable accommodation so the 70-year-old man who has health conditions can get here and give them or satisfy the directives from a New York court and from this court.
But Fulton County Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade questioned the validity of the doctor's note submitted by Giuliani's legal team.
What concerned the state judge candidly is that this is an infectious disease doctor. The claims that Mr. Giuliani was asserting had everything to do with heart. There's a conflict.
The state also pointed to this tweet Giuliani posted August 1st, allegedly in New Hampshire. Judge McBurney said that because Giuliani's physician stated he could not fly, that he would like him to make plans to get to the Fulton County Courthouse another way.
And if a doctor says it's inconsistent with his healthcare situation, we're going to change the date.
Now, the judge told Giuliani's team that if they would like to try to push this back further, they really need to file that motion by the end of this week. We are live outside the Fulton County Courthouse. Claire Sims, Fox 5 News.
All right, Claire, thanks.